How you doing? It's Johnny C here. As you can probably tell, I'm not doing too well. We have a dilemma. I have a family dilemma. You see, over 50 years, probably even more, we would get a very special pastry for Easter Sunday. It's a week from now. And this started with my grandfather when he came from Sicily, and he would get it in Manhattan at a place called Venero's. My father continued that tradition, and I do this day. Sometimes we'd have it sent over from Sicily through family. That family is not really all with us still, and it's hard to have things shipped over these days. So my father, after waiting online for parking, actually waiting for about an hour for parking, he finally got in Venero's just yesterday on Saturday, and he was told at the counter they're not making the Pignolata. They're not making the Pignolata Messinese because last year there was too much left over. People aren't buying it. So I put it out on Facebook. No one really knows what it is, but everyone's trying to help, and I want to thank everybody. So if you don't know, this here is a good picture of Pignolata Messinese. It's chocolate and lemon. And you break the pieces off there. It's kind of hard. It's like a wafer. It's not hollow. It's very nice. It's a special pastry. It comes from the province of Messina, the town of Messina in Sicily. I mean, I have a cousin. We think he's a cousin, Alberto Crisafulli. Sent me a picture of it this morning from Sicily. Says, Johnny, look what I had this morning. That's great, Alberto. That's great. Now send it over, Alberto. Send it to me. Come on, put it in the mail. I know, these days after 9/11, it's been tough with the mail and shipping things overseas, but put it in a container. Say, Johnny, it's coming over. It's going to be in Port Newark this day. I'll run up to Newark. I don't want to have to take a flight overnight to Sicily. I may have to do that. I don't want to have to do that. So, I have everything around me right now. I want to thank everybody for helping me. I've called so many bakeries. I asked for the owner, the pastry chef. They don't know. They don't know, or some do have heard of it, but they're not going to make it. So it's very tough. I brought out my special friend here, the Easter Bunny. Hey, Easter Bunny, how you doing? What do you think about all this? What do you think? He's not saying nothing. You see, he's keeping it a secret. I got my Easter egg here. I got a Easter cake for Easter. This is they call it Easter pie. They call it pizza grande, pizza game. There's all types of names. Pizza rustica. It's cheese, Italian cheeses with meats in it. Sometimes you got supersada, pepperoni, a little ham. Really nice. I got a beautiful Easter bread with the eggs. So beautiful. I love smelling the bread. It smells so good. But I can't eat it. I can't eat it until Easter Sunday. I got all this, but I don't have the Pignolata Messinese. And my family, we're hoping to have it for Sunday. I want to thank Michael Castaldo, my friend. He connected me with someone from Taormina now. Maybe we're going to try to get something going there. I want to thank my friend Carolyn, the bakery in Messina that ships it. So I'm going to work on that maybe tomorrow, but we need a Sicilian connection there. I want to thank my friend Chef David Silverman. He's a great chef. He's a great pastry chef. And guess what? He's going to try to make it. But David, we need the lemon and the chocolate. Not just the lemon, not just the chocolate. We want both. And we're very picky, David. Very picky. So I really want to thank you for trying to make it. Anyone else that's going to try to make it, we appreciate it. And you could be the next superstar of the Pignolata as it's coming out again, it sounds like. So I also want to mention, I bought this pizza again. I bought the Easter bread from Pondarelli's, right near me, right here in this little town section of Tom's River, Silverton. And, Pino, the owner, is from Sicily. We talked, and he says, John, I've been to a lot. I heard of it. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of time. It's very busy, and he's very busy. I understand. He says, maybe I'll make it one night for my family, but I can't sell it. No one's going to buy it. I said, Pino, you can sell it. I'll promote it for you. He says, John, maybe I'll make it for my family one day. I said, well, make it for me. I mean, I may be your family. I live right near you. So I don't know. Pino, I ask you, please. I know you may not have the time for this Easter, but maybe for Christmas. Because Venero's, we're a little upset with them. And then we may take this idea to Arthur Avenue in the Bronx for my good friend Charlie. So there's a lot of things happening. I got another friend, Charlie, referring to all the bakeries in Brooklyn. It's great. But no one really understands. So today, I'll tell you my frustration. They say, are you talking about the Pignoli cookie? So I had to go to I went to Ponderosa. I had to get myself a pignoli cookie. I mean, look at this pignoli cookie. They make such a great pignoli. I had to buy one. It's so delicious. I mean, I had to get a cannoli too. I dropped the cannoli though because I was so stressed out. I dropped it. Not in the bag, you know. So, you know, I really need your help. Please continue to help me. I appreciate it. The Pignolata Messinese, here it is. I need it. Please. My family needs it this Easter Sunday. We're asking you. Please. I'm Johnny C. I also go as Johnny C. the Pizza Guy. I got my own website, www.johnnycthepizzaguy.com. Check me out on Instagram. You'll see my grandparents from Sicily, where they're from, Giardini Noxus, right next to Taormina. But you'll see, I'm just a simple guy. I love pizza, but we love, I grew up having Pignolata Messinese. Please help us this Sunday, Easter Sunday coming up. Today's Sunday, next Sunday, Easter Sunday. I'll see you soon, and thank you. Thank you, everyone.